little update on my no spending challenge. Today is Wednesday, so we are so close to making it. I did deviate from the meal plan, to no one's surprise, but I did stick to the meals. I just have them moved around, so I don't think I'll be making the pesto pasta because tomorrow I'm eating at my mom's house. Today I almost spent money, and then I did spend money. So I almost bought a train ticket for about a month from now to go to Copenhagen for a pro-Palestine rally. But I remembered myself at the last moment, and I'll buy them on Saturday after the end of the month. Then today, after I got home from work, a lovely gentleman came by and asked if I would like to continue my support of the old folks home here in the village where I live, and I did. So I paid him 50 kroner for that, but I did use my cash, so that's kind of out of budget. The cash I have in my wallet doesn't really count. And then I just ordered my grocery delivery for Saturday. So technically I have spent the money, but the money isn't coming out of my account until after the 1st. So technically we're still doing okay on the no spend.